Alright, this is 100 Rolling River, along South Carolina. This is the front yard, goes all the way down the street. It's about 200 yards out. It's a circular driveway. Have a swing set in the yard. Okay, let's go. There's the neighbors, your property's on the tree line. And here's the front deck. It has a new metal roof on it. It's taupe is the color. Screen door. You walk into a living room. Everything's new flooring in it. And there's a sliding glass door to the back deck. And this is that's a functional fireplace. And here's the countertops and cabinets. Stainless steel sink with a gooseneck. Has a range hood and a window in the kitchen, you can see, and a door going out to the deck off of the kitchen / laundry room. A ceramic tile floor, fairly new hot water tank, shelf. There's a little pantry right here. And then we go over to the bathroom. It's a 3-2, this house. So it has 2 bathrooms and a ceramic tile floor, fairly decent vanity, a tub and a surround. It's got new exhaust fans. This is one of the bedrooms. It's the smaller bedroom with a closet and new carpeting. Same here. That's another bedroom with new carpeting and a closet there. And then we have this, which is like a dining area, dining room. A new light fixture. This one has a newer light fixture. This is the main master bedroom, and it has a master bath with a newer vanity and a walk-in closet. It's a nice big closet for a mobile. The electric panels in that closet, and ceramic tile floor in the bathroom. And then there's a ceramic tile shower that was newly installed. It looks pretty nice. And then, of course, you have the commode in here and a small window in there. And then we can go out and take a look at the back deck. It's a pretty home. It's a real nice neighborhood. Here's the outer deck. It's a new deck. And it's 12 by 25, I believe. It goes to the door in the laundry right here. And again, backyard. If I can zoom in to the bricks in the back, and you can see those, that's where the property line ends. So it's about 150 foot off of the deck. And there's the deck. That's a real pretty deck. They did a pretty good job on it. And that's the rest of the yard. 100 Rolling River. Sliding glass doors.